Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing well. A book by Hazrat Maulana Hakeem Akhter rahmatullah alayhi, which name is Beautiful Sunnah of the Beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and in which hadiths are mentioned according to a common routine of the man. On this book, I will make a step-by-step video and explain the beloved Sunnah of our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, which is normal for human beings. So stay connected with my channel, and if you are new to my channel, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get you new videos about the book I will make. The first hadith that have been narrated are related to getting up in the morning. First one from Shamaaile Tirmidhi. Immediately upon awaking, rub the face and the eyes with both the palms in order to remove the effects of sleep. Second one from Bukhari, Abu Dawud and Muslim. When the eyes open in the morning, recite this dua. Alhamdulillahi alladhi ahyana ba'dama amatana wa ilayhi nashur. All praise is due to Allah, who brought us to life after having granted us death, and to Him we will be resurrected. Third one from Musnad Ahmad and Abu Dawud. When awaking from sleep, clean the mouth with a miswak. Fourth one from Bazlul Majhud, commentary of Abu Dawud. The use of the miswak should be repeated when making wudu. Using the miswak upon awaking is a separate sunnah. Fifth one from Bukhari, Tirmidhi, the chapter on clothing, and Shamaaile Tirmidhi. When wearing one's trouser, first put on the right leg, then the left one. When putting on a kurta or shirt, first put on the right sleeve and then the left one. The same procedure should be followed when wearing a vest. When wearing a shoe, first put on the right shoe. When removing any garment or shoe, first remove the left, then the right. This is the sunnat method when removing any garment from the body. Sixth one from Tirmidhi, volume 1, page 13. Before immersing the hands into any utensils, wash them thrice thoroughly. Thanks for watching and stay connected with my channel. Thanks.